Okay, so now that we are logged in, let's begin. What you see on this page is a screen to the left where any changes made to your game will be visible. In the center, you will notice a bunch of puzzle pieces or blocks of code. And on the right, you will see empty space or the workspace, which is where you will join these blocks of code to create your game. On the top right corner, you will see two buttons that say Intro Screen and Game Screen. Depending on what you have chosen, the blocks will change. Speaking of which, let us talk about these screens. When you open your game, the first page that you see is never directly the screen where you begin playing. You will first have a screen that offers you a bunch of options known as the intro screen. These options include a start button or the option to check your high score, or in some games it also gives you options to upgrade your character. There could be more options, but the important button for us right now would be the start button. When this button is clicked, we must be able to move to the game screen. Currently, since we will first create the intro screen, let's select the intro screen button. Above the blocks on both screens, you will observe two buttons called Blocks and Design. To change the code of a particular screen, we will select Blocks. Here, each block is a simplified form of code. To change design elements, we will select Design. Let us first observe and then design the intro screen. What can we see on the intro screen? I see a background, the title, and the start button. Out of these three elements, the only one that is functional is the button. Notice that it's the only element that is clickable. First, we will start with the background and then move on to element 2 and 3. Click on the design button of the intro screen. You will notice a bunch of options to select from. Choose the option you like. I like this one. Okay, now that we have got our background in place, let's work on the title. Click on the next video after you have selected the background for yourself.